Hey everyone, this is Lynette Chandler, techbasedmarketing.com. Today I'd like to show you how I actually use macros to help me supercharge and put my productivity on overdrive, right? So let's jump right into it. What I want to do here is I want to create a very basic template for WordPress, for example. So to do that, I need to open up my text editor. And because I use PS-Pad, which is the name of the program I use, I need to only type PS-Pad. You won't be able to see on the screen, but I'm typing PS-Pad in there and then hitting end. And what happens is that my macro is actually launching the program for me. PS-Pad opens the last document that I'm working on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start a new document, and let me see, I'm going to start a PHP document, and I'm going to delete this because I don't need this. So let's say I want to create a page template. In WordPress, what I do to create a page template, you need to begin with the page template information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type $pg temp. That's my command, and it's going to ask me what is the name of the template. So let's say I want to call it a sales page. All right, and there you go. It will automatically enter for me the format which WordPress needs to make this page template be recognized. The next thing I may want to do is go ahead and call up the code called get header. Okay, any one of you who developed in WordPress before is familiar with this, right? So what I do here is enter get head, and there it is, already entered for me. Now header always has to be followed with a footer. So again, get foot. And there you go, all that's typed for me. Then now what I need to do is I need to begin building the loop. So I'm going to start by opening the loop. All right, and when you open loop, you got to close the loop. And loop. Okay, so there we have it. I've already got my basic loop in place, and I want to go ahead and enter the title. Okay, so when there are posts, I want to pull up the title of the posts. So I would do that by the title. Okay, and it enters it for me. And then I want to enter the content naturally, the content. And there you go. Do you see how simple this is? Now, of course, this is not specifically a very good working page template because I haven't entered any HTML code, any divisional to place these elements in different layouts. But you know what? I can actually enter HTML with this software as well. So let's say I want to have a division in here. So I'm going to enter quote div, and then do you see that it's created a division for me with the ID in it? So I'm just going to put something, all right, and the class is post, all right, and then I just have to move this closing div in here. Okay, of course it makes it easier if I haven't entered this, then I just do the div and then the title. So this is one of the most awesome ways I use macros to help me, and we've already seen that I actually launch programs with this macros. And just for kicks, I'm going to show you I actually even have the URLs to my websites, because my website name is long. Okay, I don't want to sit here and type it every time, and I do type in my URL like many times a day. And I also have something programmed for HTTP. If you are interested in this, you may want to try out a program called Direct Access. There's also a free program called Auto Hotkey, and this is available those that I mentioned is available in Windows only, of course. I know that in Mac there is AutoScript, I think is what it's called. That's already built into your computer. And take a little bit of time, explore these macros, and see how you can shave minutes and eventually hours off your workday. Thank you for watching. Do come by and say hello to me at techbasedmarketing.com. I would love to hear from you. Have a great day.